OnePlus has introduced its new Turbo 6X Pro. Smartphone will be powered by the Dimensity 7400 Super chipset with the addition of an octa-core CPU. It features an AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.78 inches screen size and a 1.5K resolution. Its memory variants include 12 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of storage. There will be dual camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel secondary lens. OnePlus Turbo 6S Pro battery will be big one and that is 8000 mAh with fast charging support. There will be IP68, IP69K dust and water resistant. It will come in black and orange colors. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.